Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to simplify one of the most important tools every developer should know: version control, using Git and GitHub. If you are a beginner, don't worry, we'll keep it super simple. Version control is a system that records changes to your code over time. Think of it as a time machine for your projects. It helps you track what changes were made, who made them, and when. This means you can roll back to an earlier version if something breaks, or collaborate easily without overwriting each other's work. Git is the most widely used version control software. It runs locally on your computer and allows you to save different snapshots of your project, called commits. Each commit is like a checkpoint you can return to. This makes development safer and more organized. Now, GitHub takes Git a step further. It's a cloud-based platform where you can store your Git repositories online. This makes it easy to collaborate with teams around the world, share your code, and even contribute to open-source projects. Think of Git as the tool, and GitHub as the place where teamwork happens. For beginners, using Git and GitHub is essential. You learn how to manage your projects, avoid losing work, and practice real-world workflows. Plus, employers often look for GitHub profiles to see your projects and contributions, so it's a great way to showcase your skills. So to recap, Git helps you track and save changes, while GitHub lets you collaborate and share projects online. Together, they form the foundation of modern software development. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand Git and GitHub better, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Sunshine Digital Services for more beginner-friendly tech guides.